Well, welcome back to another Dynodaze video, a silver EP3 in the house. We've seen this one before, and it previously did make like 239 brake horsepower, but since then he's gone for a legal route and gone Piper, Manifold and Sports Cat, I believe. So we're tuning again to suit. Unfortunately, got to turn the pops and bangs off, but good car, as you can see, some good mods. But we'll get to those. Let's run it and see what we can do with the Piper Sports Cat. Obviously, we were expecting a drop off in power, perhaps because of the flow, perhaps a dip in the mid range. Who knows? Let's see how we get on. K20 EP3 needs oil. I personally use Liquid Moly Gen 5W40, and I get it from worldoflubricant.co.uk. If you go to worldoflubricant.co.uk and put in the code dyno at the checkout, you save a load of money. How good's that? They do all sorts, gearbox oils, they do coolants, that sort of thing, but most importantly they do Liquid Moly Gen, which is my favourite, but they do all sorts. Go check them out. Use the code dyno. Okay, so last time we seen this car, it made 240 brake horsepower after we tuned it. And he's back because he wants to be legal. He's fitted a Piper Manifold and the Sports Cat. And we've done our job today, haven't we? And we've tuned it. And it's,
yeah, for sure.
We've adjusted the fuel where it needed to and the timing, etc. And, you know, I'm a little bit deflated, Rich, because it's lost 7 brake horsepower. But
yeah, but it's going to. I mean, it's lost more than that in the mid-range.
Yeah,
quite a substantial bit more in the mid-range, probably around the 20-25, I would say. But the problem is, obviously, it's that's the price you pay. You put a restriction back in the exhaust, and obviously you lose power, and that's where we are.
Yeah, because obviously we're spending most of our time trying to get less restrictions so that we can make more power, and that's exactly what we did originally.
Yeah. So then this is I get the point to it. It's like it's took a step backwards, though. In theory, we've cost the car power, but yeah, that's the price you pay for legality.
Yeah, it's still. I bet it still rips.
Yeah, it's still okay. I mean, it's just like
it's got some mods, though, ain't it?
Yeah, it's got some good mods on there.
Yeah, so it's got Ultra Series, inlet manifold, induction
throttle
kit,
body, induction kit.
Yeah,
I think the only thing he changed this time round was the. It's like the Manifold.
Manifold and Sports Cat. It costs 7 brake peak, but there you go. We're here to do a job. We're here to map whatever the customer presents us with for whatever reason it needs mapping, and we've done that, haven't we?
Yeah. To be fair though, we didn't think we were mapping this at one point today, did we?
No, we've had a dyno update.
Yeah, we've had it. The dyno decided it was going to update itself overnight, and then have a real mardy this morning when we tried to wake it up and get it going.
Yeah, so many team viewer sessions later.
Yeah.
And we're up and running.
We're back up and running.
I did in fact send someone some beer tokens for that. So I hope they're having a merry beer on me today for their hard work. But yeah, it's done. It's done.
We can forget about it now.
I'm glad it didn't have its mardy last weekend.
Yeah. When we had officially gassed here, that'd have been mightily embarrassing, wouldn't it?
Yeah, but we're all good. We're all good, and we managed to get an awesome FN2 done that you've seen. The last video was an FN2 on Piper Cabs. We got that one done before the dyno decided to not play ball.
Yeah.
So yeah, all good. Right.
Luckily for us, this customer wasn't coming till 1 o'clock, so we had the morning to fix it.
You mean for me to have panic attacks? Try and get the
all of that.
I've got chest pains now, Rich.
Should we have a look at that graph?
Let's look at the graph. Well, there's our final graph for today, and we're finishing on 233 brake horsepower, making that, which is a 7 brake horsepower down on last time. But as Richard said, it's all about flow, and that sports cat and legality is important as well. So yeah, still not bad at all. But obviously, without a cat, it did a bit better. So thanks for sticking around to the end of the video, guys. Like and subscribe and all that jazz. We will see you on the next one. But just before I go, I'd like to remind you that if you do need any help with an EP3, whether that be parts, servicing, any mechanical work at all, or modification, give us a shout. You can go old school and pick up the telephone. You can you can send us an email. Well, maybe not today because my email's down, but you can send us an email. You could fire us a message on Facebook or Instagram, and we'll be here waiting for you so that we can help. Yeah, cool. Peace out. See you on the next one, won't we, Rich? We will indeed.
Ready to elevate your ride? Dynodaze Performance Parts has you covered. From exhaust to ECU remaps, we offer top-tier parts for peak performance. Our experts provide personalized tuning to match your driving style. Join our community of enthusiasts. Join thousands who trust Dynodaze for their performance needs. Visit dynodazeperformanceparts.com and transform your drive today.